This is day 2 of our flooded creek. You can tell by the bottom boughs of the pine trees that it was much lower, and it only went about this wide until the flood. Now it's come out this way, way out there, across that sage, and those trees were on the bank, and those trees were on the bank. It's down yesterday. It's not licking the side of it like it was yesterday, but it's still moving pretty fast. Go up here and see how far it is going. Found a throughway here. That's because it goes in a U that way, and it obviously found its way across. Better there than the bridge. Yeah, 2 days ago there was no water laying here at all. Here's the other side with the bridge. And back to where it should be. Okay, well, so far so good. We can still get across. The integrity of the bridge is still okay, and the road is okay. I guess it's crossing the highway at Millerville and 22 though.